Hello, good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the patterns of public enterprises. Public enterprises consist of enterprises, corporations, and companies that are wholly or partly owned by the central government or the state jointly and under the state government. They have activities related to public enterprises in India and mainly organized into four forms: department undertakings, second is public corporation, and third is government companies, and fourth is holding companies. Apart from these, there are other forms such as the commission, board of control, cooperative societies, public trust, and commodity board. तो इस तरीके से पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस जो है उसमें कॉरपोरेशंस और कंपनीज जो कि आती हैं, जो कि पूरी तरीके से यानी होली और पार्टली या आंशिक रूप से जो ओनरशिप होती है वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में या फिर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हाथ में या फिर जॉइंटली अंडर द they have the management system and are concerned with commercial and financial activities related to agriculture, industrial agriculture, public enterprises, etc. Right? Apart from these, as the commission, board of control, cooperative societies, public trust and commodity board, ये डिपार्टमेंट अंडरटेकिंग्स और पब्लिक कॉरपोरेशन, गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज और होल्डिंग कंपनीज, इनके अलावा ये सारे जैसे कमीशन हैं, बोर्ड हैं, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज़ हैं, पब्लिक ट्रस्ट एंड कमोडिटी बोर्ड हैं, एट्सेट्रा. नाउ वी डिस्कस द फर्स्ट enterprise, first public enterprise, department undertakings. It is the traditional and oldest form of public enterprise. यानी जो डिपार्टमेंट अंडरटेकिंग है ये परंपरागत और सबसे पुराना जो है वो पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज है. Railways and post and telegraph departments are two major public establishments. यानी रेलवे और टेलीग्राम डिपार्टमेंट्स जो है ये दो जो हैं ये मुख्य रूप से जो है वो एस्टेब्लिश किए गए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स रिलीज टू ऑल इंडिया रेडियो प्रेस are also organized departmental establishment. This pattern is often is its public establishments is apart from these projects related to all India Doordarshan Defense Products Unit, Atomic Energy, Government Press are also organized department establishments, and this pattern is often used when the main purpose O is to provide the characteristics of the department undertakings. Now, okay, girls.